PSW Basketball Tournament 2025. Are you guys ready? Ang pangutanang andaw na mo, Compostela National High School Wildcats. All the way from Davao City, we have Ateneo de Davao Blue Knights. Representing the city of Taco, we have
adhere and uphold the conditions, rules and regulations which has been set forth by organizers of this activity.
Good. That's a good defense. And that's not a good defense. There's the result. Violation out. That's a foul. That's a foul coming from jersey number 14. Legal contact with arms, Tudros and Collado. Collado tries to take the first throw. No good. No good. And that ends the second quarter.
Oh, shooter oh, Dre, shooter.
Try daw pati ulam. Bayan mo sa iyang sa pagkili. Ano, fried sopaw. Pero na ano na siya damoy kay style ano na dapat crispy man ang siya.
Oh, sige, sige. Okay lang. Tapos na ako. Thank you.
Ang ilang program na ay 6:30, 7:30 buntag. Yung pagkahapon, 5:30. Ano si Aldor Halo?
Ay, katong doon ila shobe.
Nice one. Ay, nako. Okay.
20 to shoot. Jersey number 25. Fourteen to shoot.
Yun.
10.
Boom.
Moving for 3, no good.
Langanin
Jersey
ito.
number 1 out. This is jersey number 16, Halaga. Tries to connect. Pulls up. No good. That's a little for the rebound. Pass to Roy. Roy tries to connect. And there's it's jersey number 16. Yes, it's jersey number 20. Tries to connect. No good. Jersey number 14 now. He's in Roy.
Mira. Pasok.
Roy with the 3.
Rebound, rebound. Nice one, nice one.
14 seconds to shoot.
Oh, rep.
10. Alex Roy for
Back.
3. No good. That's the line of handling the ball.
Defense, defense.
Ilaga looks for companion. Takes the 3 and then everything
Run,
fire.
run,
No
run.
good. Patanay the ball. Alex Roy handling the ball. Alex Roy dribbles.
Oh, yeah.
That's the seal. Good. Jersey number 1 turns around. Good next. 2 points. Jersey number 14, De La Cruz, the one and two. That is the winner of the front one. Good to just for 9 is a seal. Ball comes at the Stella Wildcats. That's the lag of hunting the ball. Looks like a finger from Costello Wildcat. No, fakes, takes the basket, no good. And that's Castro to Alex Sunuri.
And one.
Alex Sunuri lays it in, basket. The Sharks were 21. Good now. Tries to connect 2 points on Dukes. Alex Roy dribbling the ball, tries to look for Companion from the table now. Sees a Companion, tries to take a basket. Good. It's a ball steal. That's Austria.
Oy, trouble.
Kita-kita din sa Anti at Ateneo de Davao. Castro at Alex Sunuri. Alex Sunuri naman sa jersey number 15. Nasa Sunuri trying to take the basket. That means no good. Interception. Ball for the Costello Wildcats.
Defense, defense.
Hilaga. Passes to front right jersey number 15. Checks the 3. No good. Alex Sunuri for defensive rebound.
Run, run,
Jersey
run.
number 14. Dela Cruz. Double team. Good. And that. Jersey number 25, Alex Sunuri to Pool. Uy connects.
Minute.
For the body shot to Uy. That's Ilaga. Ilaga tries to take the basket. No good. That's Uy now. National High School. Passes to Ilaga.
Run, run.
There's another steal for Ateneo de Davao. Uy, that's just a secret. Tries to take the basket. 2 points to Uy. Against 30, Ateneo de Davao. And that's Beth, jersey number 21, Austria.
Okay.
Nice communication. Stop. And that's jersey number 25 right there. And that's number 21, and that's winning baskets. 2 points.
Para 1 week, may sapot.
Jersey number 17, Portuguese red. Jersey number 12 now, Mira Fuentes. Good. There's a good recovery from the lost ball. Cruz to Uy. Uy back to Cruz. Uy tries to take a 3. The basket is short. 20 to shoot. 15.
Oh!
2 points to
Itsa lang yun.
Good now, jersey number 19. Filipino
Run, run.
Jersey number 12. There's a steal by jersey number 17 from Costello National High School. Jersey number 17, tries to shoot.
Rebound. Okay.
Castro
Uy.
connects. Jersey number 13.
Tira.
Uy.
Yep. Oh!
Basket. 2 points. Good.
Mainit. Hindi may pasa. Mainit. Ay, bakante.
Jersey number 31. Takes a 3.
Run.
Ball coming into the foul. Cruz. Uy for 3. Jersey number 5 now, all the way to Mirafuentes. Mirafuentes with the lead. The basket was Schwartz for Mirafuentes. Good. Jersey number 12, Mirafuentes. To Uy. Mirafuentes tries to make an entrance. Mirafuentes looks for a friend, sees Palmero. Palmero again, at the inside, and one. That's Palmero right there. Tries to connect the basket. Shoot. Austria. Looks for the opinion from Casella National High School. Needs a three. No good. First away from Zeke Salazar.
Okay, ay! Sayang!
For the jumper. Two. Jersey number 45. There's 10 to shoot. There's a completed free throws for this is jersey number 10. Naraga for 3. The basket was short. Turan for the rebound. And ball is on Palmero. Good. That's Palmero right there. That's it foul. Vicente for 3. No good. That's it foul.
Morning, coach.
Pulls on, no good. That's nice to shoot. That's good. Jersey number 9. Eight seconds to shoot. 5. Good. Continue. That's the Rosario. Lays it in. Vicente. Dupla for 3. Overshoots. That's a rebound by Turan. Turan to Dupla. 2 points. Dupla. They only have 14 seconds remaining time. Now Zion swings from there. Good. Back to Gua. De La Cruz pulls off. Nazario for the rebound. Attempts 2 points. Vicente right there. Checks at the 3 points. Vicente. The next nugget. Custom. Out of bounds. Good. Taking 3 points. Jersey number 30. Tries to connect, no good. Banzali now, seal, out of bounds. No good. And there's a De La Cruz. De La Cruz tries to connect. No good. De La Cruz again. That's a plus 2 minutes and 38 seconds. Out of bounds. Jersey number 72. Ganana turns around. The seal by Castro.
Yeah, kukuha si Kirby para mag-team with them.
8-second shot clock. That's a steal. And that's Jersey number 14. Jersey 19, that's a violation. Castro passes out of bounds. Carabuas. No good. No set. Nice connect. No good. It's good out.
Oo, si Sir Talia. Sana 45 na siya.
No good. Ball is on big play. Seconds to play. Verano. Ready to shoot. And that's Castro. 2 points, Castro. Tanyapa. Good. Basket. 2 points, Carabuas. Starting off with wearing jersey number 12, Del Rosario. Wearing jersey number 12, Mero Fuentes. Jersey number 19, Cruz. Jersey number 8, Cuo. Jersey